Hi, and welcome to Tellurium Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to overlay multiple datasets onto one graph. Here I have a basic Tellurium system with two steps, reaction J1 and reaction J2. I plot the rate of reaction J2 over time. When I run the program, we get the simple graph of J2 changing as time continues. So let's say we want to see how changing the rate law, K1, multiple times affects the reaction rate J2. We do this using a for loop. First, I need to import matplotlib. That's PLT. Okay. Then I'm going to write my for loop. We're going to do it 20 times for I in range 20. So that just cycles through 20 times. And we want these to be tabs so they're inside the for loop. And then on this line, we want to go r.k1 equals r.k1 plus, and let's say we want to add 0.05 to it every time. So now we're going to go through 20 times and add 0.05 to the rate K1 every time. Then we simulate and plot it. Also, we need to include the r.reset function at the end. So once it plots, it resets the floating species concentrations back to the initial constants. Also, inside the r.plot, we need to go show equals false, if I can spell that correctly. This line of code prevents the graph from drawing each line until the very end. That way, we get all 20 different lines on the same chart. When I run this, we can see that we have 20 different lines, each representing a different value of K1. So, there are a couple problems with this graph. First of all, the legend is kind of distracting. It doesn't really give us any information. Second of all, every single line for J2 is the same color, therefore we cannot discern which is which. There are two things we're going to change. Let's start with the color first. In order to change the color, we have to add one line of code. The line of code reads cmap equals plt. This is where we use the matplotlib import from before. .get underscore cmap, and then it needs one parameter. It's a string, and it's going to be blues because we're going to change it blues. Then inside here, we go color equals cmap parentheses I star 15. That basically gets a value for the color blue and change it by a factor of 15 as I changes. Now when we run this, we can see that we have a gradient of our graph. This number changes the opacity of the graph. So if we lower it to 5, everything is going to be very transparent. If we raise it to 25, our lines are darker and our gradient is stronger. So we're going to leave it at this. Now, our legend is kind of in the way. So in order to get rid of it, we basically tell it to have no location, and you add the line of code, comma, loc equals none with an uppercase N. When I run this, we get the same graph, minus the legend that was very distracting from before. Now you know how to add multiple datasets to one chart. The key things to remember are that you have to add the show equals false inside your r.plot. You have to reset back to the initial species concentrations, and that you can use this cmap idea to change the color as you go on. If you want more information on how to work the plot method, please visit the matplotlib docs on their website. Thank you for watching.